pump you, he didn't nudge you, he rubbed you. And rubbing, son, is racing.
Fourth gear. I'm in the same gear.
Oh, we should be okay once we roll, I think.
Ten is in third, but I'm starting
slow. Out down there, so protect that bottom. All right, well, friend, pace car's off. Be ready.
All right, here's the big moment.
Green flag's out.
And we're off to the races.
5, 3, 4. Inside. Clear if you need it.
Can't even get on the gas. I did that.
17.418. Outside, clear high. Outside. Still outside. Still there. On your clear. Clear. 18.768. Outside. Still outside. Clear. Clear. 17.834.
Don't let him through.
Yeah, right.
17.774.
I'm going low, Joffel.
That wasn't low enough, man.
That was as low as it would go. It was a 0.
18.107.
Going high.
Alrighty.
Thanks, sir, Joffel.
Thank you, sir.
I'm spinning my tires still.
Put it in fourth gear.
I'm gonna just run track time. This is insane.
Caution.
Sorry, Jeff.
Save your stuff, save a little fuel. Closed. The road's closed.
Self-propelling track, yeah?
Alright, you're gonna have to come around this pace car. You'll be behind the 9.
Back street to the pace car.
Open.
I didn't enter the pits. I missed the cone.
I didn't get a black flag there at 10 because I didn't get around you in time.
I was wondering where you were going, Brian. I was trying to decide if we were on the right straightaway or not.
Well, he said pits are open, and I was already past that commitment cone, so I just cut in. Ended the longest line.
Right, who put ice on the pit exit?
How come I gotta let everybody by? Well, because of the longest line.
Maybe lining up behind the 9.
Hayes car just at the start finish line, guys.
Your car's big tail.
Yeah. Setup is not the
You're
same.
going to have to come around 0-4.
That's what I did. Practice something different.
This is update after you said
Behind the 9.
No.
No, he had the lights on.
No, that's what I meant.
Yeah, no, I'm just kidding, bro.
It's funky, man. Funky.
Come on.
Who's it called? I know it's not up here, but this is ridiculous.
Now I'm gonna be on the outside.
I've alternated stuff first gear now.
I'm just trying to see if the guy can get some heat.
Oh, you'll
I don't know.
get that pretty soon.
I don't know if it does anything under Compton.
One to go. You can be on the inside. 46.648. Get behind the
Might
21.
take that grip lap too, right?
Woohoo! Hey, Brian said, yeah, you on the inside.
Whoever's behind me, Don, starting in third.
How's your temps look there under caution?
I'm gonna try a second again just to see. Alright, line up in the wall, we'll pass you.
Watch the wall.
Take your cars off. Be ready.
Third, bro. Go by turn 1.
Green flag. Good job, man. You got this.
Start yellow already. Wants to.
5, 6, clear high.
Mine broke out when I shifted to fourth.
Outside. Lab cars in front of you. Still out there. Still outside. You're outside if you want it.
I'm on that wall, sorry, Brian.
0, 6.
Whoops.
Come on, let's go, Brian. Behind everybody.
No move. 18.5, 9.
I'm trying, William. I'm trying.
This is our
Cars a
opportunity.
lap down ahead of us.
This is the best I can do. Try.
17.502. Outside. All clear. 17.897.
It's tucked in the middle. Coming. Get on. Working the top. Clear, clear, clear. Outside. Still out there. 18.3. Sorry,
In front of you, in front of you.
go ahead.
Still outside. You're clear. .127.
a boat.
I'm turning my wheel almost upside down just to get around.
17.66.
Well, at least it's the same for everybody, you know? No skills yet.
I just found the limit of mine and just about looped it.
I'm just waiting for everybody else to rig so I can pass it down.
Give it time, it'll happen here, John.
17.89.
Are they hard grip?
I was about to say the same thing. When did they have it?
Right about the time you let off going into the corner until you touch the brake.
I wonder if you can protest iRacing.
Oh yeah. Slow is better on the top line, huh?
Oh, a little bit better. Fast, anyways.
17.694.
I see he blew right on by you.
17.6.
Oh, he let me go by.
I'm talking about Pete and Brian.
Yep, he let me go by.
I saw him getting into you there.
Oh, and I was
17.727.
I'm just trying to survive here, that's all.
My
What's the
father
next?
will be over to visit yours shortly.
What's the next
17.66.
I don't know, but I'm gonna test it like you won't believe. Gonna go high there, Paul.
Oh, I think Keith's got it figured out here. You guys got a dark horse that he never he sandbagged a little on that qualifying.
17.939.
Don, if I'm holding you up, just let me know. I'll let you know.
17.657.
Same here.
18.12.
Think you need to be a Jedi to drive this.
I feel like I'm using a controller, not a steering wheel. Better yet, a joystick.
17.605.
I'll go high, Joffo.
Okay. Oops.
Or low.
Knew I was gonna slide up that way.
It's all good.
Go high. 17.7. .786. Outside. Go out there, man. Clear high. .489.
Yeah, I almost wasn't able to race tonight. I didn't have any money. Then a computer job showed up. So I got 30 bucks for rent and deposited into the bank.
18.33.
And pay $12 to have online.
Well, you can always get yourself a prepaid credit cards. They can't check on that.
You ought to give me the money. I ought to rake Brian. No.
All right. A month free if you wreck the leader.
Come on back, Art, and let David go then.
I ain't getting there, Keith, so you just keep going.
I'm amazed we're almost halfway, you know.
I'm gonna forget to you now. My tires are getting mighty slick.
Your tires are just now getting slick? Yeah, get it all in trouble.
I'm talking about when they went too.
17.897.
Mine went away under caution.
You scuffed him too much, did you?
I guess.
17.923.
They did that monthly prices over there. And I was sitting there, and some guy in there with a big setup, and they give me running 19.6.
And we're halfway in the race.
Go high, Don.
Best I can do is
18.247
yeah,
outside.
19. Best I can do is 20.
Still there?
19.999. Look there, 20-second left.
Thanks, Don.
Like some of those guys that
Outside.
leave that
Thanks,
big
Don.
setup and
Clear outside.
fast.
18.995.
He was running 19, so he was pretty dang fast.
Chapeau. I'm planning to run a 15.5.
18.117.
Good thing you didn't have the cars in this.
You know, they might be better. You never know.
That's just a lot of power right there.
17.907.
Let's start making money. I gotta get into Phoenix.
17.955.
Try to sneeze at Bristol. Almost wrecked it.
17.985 outside. Still outside. Outside, still there. Clear.
Sorry.
18.419. Working the bottom. Clear. It's fun.
Thanks, Pete.
Pass me in the pits.
It took forever. I was wondering, what the hell are you gonna pass finally?
No forward bite.
Oh, I know.
Outside.
Yes, thank you.
Clear outside.
Don't give it to him.
1, 2.
Man, on sideways going out that one.
Coming inside there.
.543.
That's him.
Yep. I wasn't gonna get into you that time.
Just start yelling at crew chief, hey, you gonna get hit.
I have the feeling that I'm drifting right now.
I think when I pit, I won't take tires because these are hot.
18.222.
You get ready, David. Let me know, bud.
18.0.
We'll see how it goes here. I'm going to try the inside. Thanks, Keith.
Thanks, Pete.
Okay.
You telling me about my right front tire.
Telling you about your tire?
Yep.
18.273.
That's it, yeah, right front tire now. Man, it just scared the heck out of me. Dave, whatever his name was.
No, actually, I was ready for it.
251.
You guys start doing a better job of holding him up.
I don't know. For some reason, my car just moves over when they get behind me for some reason.
18.623.
You take all the air off your spoiler.
18.526. .389.
There's more than one 04 on the track or something.
18.672 to the high side.
No, you should pass it that many times.
04 and the 7. 04 and the 7.
18.411. Outside, clear.
Well, my spotter just came on and said my tire was wearing out. You just now telling me that? I thought it happened like 40 laps ago.
Minute 4.199. Outside. Still there. Clear outside.
John might have been smart by skipping this.
You faster, man. I keep telling him.
Yeah.
I'm working up here. 17.524. Leader pit road. Outside. Still there. Clear. 17.732. .631.
I'll tell you, it's not blowing, John Paul.
17.631.
And now, since stayed out, only one lap down. Now I need somebody to wreck real quick.
Don't talk like that.
17.637. .614.
Yeah, man, we've been 2 laps down now.
17.806.
Go high, Paul.
I've been 2 laps down. I'm about to go 3.
Yeah, after the start finish line, right?
17.677.
Yeah,
Right before.
right after the start finish line. Oh, before, yeah. I'm taking a long way around.
Ah! Coming on a turn.
17.92.
You don't have to go through the front and back stretch on green, do you?
No, you
Nope.
don't. Just the front.
Yeah, I fucked that up.
Son of a gun.
After the start finish.
17.726.
No, it's the one before. Trust me.
Meters off pit road.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you can use either actually, but one's a long way around.
$17.909.
That's in the pits.
What a nightmare.
I tell you, that's tough.
Where's my guy?
17.91.
Maybe on the wrong side. Exiting pits.
Alright, who put snow in my pit stall?
That was good.
Low one on the bottom.
Go black flag, go black
17.942.
flag, go black flag. Hey, clean pits here.
Same here. Go high, go high.
94.
Exit pit.
$17.904.
Go ahead and go, man. Laps down. Now, driving the drive.
17.854. Outside. Clear high.
Thanks, guys.
18.671. Working the outside. Outside quarter.
Just gonna want to pass me again.
Clear, clear, clear. .746.
That's good. Thank you.
$19.009. $17.983.
That was close, Keith.
Ooh, I know it.
I saw you going down there.
17.911. $17.776. $18.044.
Come to the outside of you.
18.192.
Thank you.
20 laps to go this time by. one.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to.
Don't give him anything.
Outside.
Thanks, Don.
18.683. Clear, clear.
Joffel, I'm gonna ask you what lane you would like me to take.
Don't get in that wreck up.
18.394.
I want tires.
Too late. You have no tires left.
Come on, slick them on the track.
All your creditors come over and scope your luck nut.
Take us new tennis shoes.
45.575.
Say low down. See what you're doing, sorry.
17.63. Good job, bud. And you go this time. Bye. To go. 17.579. Right flag this time. 17.861.
Good job there, David.
Thank you.
A couple times in that one.
Okay, check the flag, man.
Finished it, baby.
Yeah.
Great
Hey,
job.
good run, Paul.
Yeah, you too.
I didn't even know that was behind me.
All things considered, it was
Job,
pretty
Dave.
good.
Drive him, everybody.
I mean,
look at the flag, man.
just
I don't know.
one real
What kind of
caution.
burnout was that?
That far yet? Just let us know what happens. like a random, fellas.
It's one
pull our
caution,
own
that's
thing.
pretty
Good
good.
job there, David.
Oh, never mind. I don't know. We'll find out now. All right, never mind.
You know, such a hard time with the setup. I don't know what it was there, but eventually they ended up just one caution race of the two that we called ourselves, you know.
Yeah. Well, every time I kept trying to get close to you, I'd get worse. I'd start catching you, and then it'd start going away. I took right side tires only for that last stop. My right my left side tires at that time was 80%. Now they're down to 74. My right side's down to 70.
Yeah, I only took right side tires and just a little bit of fuel at the end.
They still didn't fix it, huh?
No, it helped at the beginning of the run. When I came out, it felt better, but as it went along and the tires started wearing out, it worse.
Mine wasn't too bad. I mean, obviously, around traffic it was bad, but...
Anyone show the results?
Nope, don't show you anything.
No, that bug's still there, you know. It will eventually, probably tomorrow morning, like it did that to us last week. Everything was lost. Every single race ball was gone out of every season.
I see the results.
Oh, you see them now?
What is the rundown?
You talking about for the race or for the season?
For the race.
Well, David was one evidently, and Paul second. Keith was third. Brian fourth. Pete was fifth. I was sixth. John was seventh. James eighth, and Cotty was ninth. If you go, y'all not seeing anything under that results page?
Nope, don't come up for us anymore. Just
No, it didn't come up.
Some people it's still screwed up.
Oh, okay. 50 minutes, 9.888 seconds to run the race. Just under an hour.
That's pretty good, all things considered.
Yeah, I know that was close at the end, Keith. I didn't know if I got you or not.
I went to save the replay and it froze my screen again.
Yeah, same here.
Brian was one lap down. Pete was 3. I was 3. Don was 6. James 8. And Cotty, I guess he was 87 laps down.
How come so many laps down?
I don't know. He must have decided to park it.
Yeah, it's frozen solid there because of the replay.
Yeah. That was the race.
Well, Keith, if it hadn't worked out so that I just I came out around the corner and saw you coming out of pit road, I probably wouldn't have pitted so early, but you left me in the dust, so I figured I had to do something.
Oh man, you know that one run I had, I just found a good line, but I never did find it after that pit stop. I couldn't get it back. I couldn't get that rhythm back.
Well, it was funny. Even with 2 tires, I was running 17.4, 17.5s with 2 right side tires. 10 or 12 laps after I put the right sides on only.
Yeah, I did all 4 when I went in.
Well, I figured the only way I was going to get ahead of you was to do 2 tires, and I don't know how on that pit road I managed to shut off the left side tires and turn the fuel down, but I got it done before my pit stall.
Doval and International.
User joined your channel.
It worked out, David.
It did. There was. I don't think I was beating you if I didn't get it done on pit road.
4th is Dover International. The 11th is Kansas. The 18th, Watkins Glen.
Are we doing anything Thursday, Pete?
Yeah. I didn't do the new season yet.
that's
Yeah.
what I was going to. So we don't have. You do have a race this Thursday, but not for the season.
Yeah, it's for a new season. We're starting a new season.
Oh, okay. So the new season starts there. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't put it up yet because I didn't have the time, but later on there, probably. I'm frozen solid here. I mean, there's nothing I can do in that screen.
You should have told me. I would have tried to save it. I didn't do anything.
I saved the replay.
Stupid thing. What's going on with that?
I wonder if there's a setting or something that we have to change again.
No.
Well,
I turned
last
off
time
my spooling.
at the Indy race last time, I could save the replay, and it gave me the results. But this time I didn't get any results. I just got this race was completed. Good luck.
All right, guys. I'm out of here. See if I can get into this Texas race.
Okay, I'm gonna reboot.
I'm going.
Yeah,
I'm going
see
to
y'all
guys.
Thursday.
I'm going to, guys. I'll see y'all Thursday night. Good job tonight, David.
Thanks a lot there, Keith. It was fun racing with you.
Good win, David.
Thanks, William.
User disconnected from your channel. User disconnected from your channel.
Oh, it's no biggie. SP would say that's why they have the power.
User in your channel timed out.
Well done. It was almost a bunch of us there because I know my truck didn't want to go anywhere either at the beginning. So, I mean, it was pretty easy to spin out.
Alright, good win. Good run, everyone. I'll catch you guys Thursday.
See you then, Paul.
I
a
won't
good
be
one, Paul.
around Thursday. I'll be at work Thursday. But they give me Tuesdays off, so.
Okay, everyone except Jaffo.
Yep.
User disconnected from your channel. User joined your channel.
All right.
See you, Don. Thanks for coming out.
Next week I got Tuesday and Thursday off. Woohoo!
Disconnected.